I was talking to my buddy, Reginald, a friend of mine here in Alabama, last year, and I told him I had found some Jerusalem artichokes. And I said, I'm going to plant them. And he said, how many did you get? And I said, I bought a 10-pound bag. And he said, that's a lot. And I said, nah, I like them. He said, where are you going to plant them? I said, I'm going to plant them kind of close to the house, behind the greenhouse. He said, really? He said, they can be problematic. Let me show you this. Okay, guys, these are Jerusalem artichokes, often called sunchokes. I knew they got about 8 or 10 feet tall. I had no idea 15 feet was an average. And you say, well, why did you plant them up here? I didn't. They have rhizomes, they grow, they spread. I planted them right here. And you can see I have gotten to the point where I take the lawnmower and I run these things over. They're great. They're really good to have. If you want to grow these things, grow them kind of away from your house. They have a nice pretty flower, almost like a sunflower, but they're not related to sunflowers. The nice thing about Jerusalem artichokes is for people who are diabetic, it has a tuber root, just like a potato, a little bit smaller, and cuts, peels, cooks just like a potato. You can mash it, everything. The downside to it is that it produces lots of gas. Hence the nickname a lot of people give it, fartichokes. But the good thing for people who are monitoring their blood sugar watching it is that it contains inulin. Inulin is more easily broken down into a sugar. So it's not as rough on your system as like regular potatoes. But these things are beautiful, and they are quite prolific. During the late 40s, they were actually recommended by the USDA because of the fantastic amount of silage you can get from these things. Cow food, goat food, dried out, can eat it, and it's free. Now, the reason they kind of quit promoting it, my opinion, is that you don't have to reseed ever. It just grows back as long as you don't get every piece, and you won't get every piece of it. It is here to stay. So there's that. But again, this is one that just kind of made its way, and that one is about 15 feet tall. Don't plant these things close to your house. That is my mistake. And just warning you guys, take care of you people.